Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on or off flashlight using the action button. For this, open settings, tap on action button. Then from here you will get the option flashlight. You can see flashlight, torch. Turn on extra light when you need it. Now the torch option is applied to the action button. Now press and hold the action button. Now you can see the torch is enabled. You can see. Okay, if you tap on here, then you can adjust the brightness also. You can adjust. You can like this. Right? So simply in this way you can set the action button to turn on or off the flashlight in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.